The question was, are you taking Waziri to court? They said they are not taking Waziri to court today. So, what then remains is that it is a date when they will present the charge sheet before the court, and we shall present Waziri before that court. The snag what you are seeing push and pull is that Waziri, a date must be given by somebody somewhere outside when they will take to court. Most likely, they want to shop which favorable court they will take Waziri, because a date to court is as simple as saying, Waziri, let Waziri appear tomorrow. So for now, that is the only bottleneck that we are waiting. A date. Waziri is not going to court. Waziri will be presented to court.